It's Lorena. She can't hear me? No, she can't hear you.
Conversation, you'll know it. It'll be pretty easy. She'll pop off.
Mr. Rankin, were you able to come to a resolution?
I think we have, Judge. I believe Mr. Dane is willing to plead guilty to the no insurance charge, and the city would recommend a 10-day jail sentence, but ask that he get credit for time served. I believe he's been in since the 29th.
So you can't ask for jail time because he's not represented. You might need to talk to him again. So because he wasn't advised, you can't ask for jail time. The city never indicated that they wanted jail time, so we didn't advise him. Do you need to speak to him again?
Let me see. Would the court be willing to, if we imposed a fine, would the court be willing to parole that fine? I don't believe he'll have the ability to pay, and I think he's been in long enough that he served the punishment. Okay.
Yes. So, Mr. Dane, I want to make sure you understand what's going on here.
Okay.
So, what would be happening is there would be no jail sentence. There would be a fine imposed, but the fine would ultimately be waived due to a lack of ability to pay, because when you're in custody, you can't really work the way you can when you're, free out of custody.
Correct.
So because of that, we would close it for lack of ability to pay. Do you understand that?
I'm more, since it's the same thing in different words. Perfect. Yeah.
Kind of, yes. So you'll
Okay.
still end up with that conviction on your driving record, but you're not going to owe any money.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah, all right.
I just want to make sure you understand your rights. Do you understand you do have the right to a trial?
I do.
Do you understand that you would be able to hire an attorney to help you at that trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand that before a trial started, you would have the opportunity to review the discovery, such as any police reports, to help you get ready for a trial?
I understand that. Yes.
Do you understand that at a trial, the city would have the burden of proof? They would have to present evidence and prove their case beyond a reasonable doubt?
Yes, Judge.
Do you understand that at a trial, you would have the right to confront the witnesses, meaning you could ask witnesses questions?
I understand.
Do you understand that at a trial, you would have a Fifth Amendment right against self-incrimination?
Yes.
And do you understand that if you did go to trial and you were found guilty, you would be able to appeal that decision to the Wyandotte County District Court?
Yes.
And knowing all of that, are you wanting to waive your rights?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. Give
Yes,
me
Judge.
1 second. Okay, so I'm going to impose a $300 fine. There is a $23.50 state fee, but we will waive all of that for a lack of ability to pay.
Okay. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. So when you're done with your county stuff, you don't have to worry about the city matter at all, okay? This won't hold you up if you get that matter resolved, and you won't have to pay any fine, okay?
Okay, I appreciate that very much, Judge. Thank you.
You're welcome. Good luck to you.
Yeah, thank you.
Just checking we're all done.
Yes.
All right. The next four people, well, the people guide through Stotts are all in the same pod, heading that way, different floor. Take me a few minutes to get there.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Mr. Rankin, I just wanted to make sure this was communicated to you. when we see Mr. Guy, we are only seeing him on the jaywalking and the possession of paraphernalia charges. The other charges, he has been appointed an attorney on, and he will be seen with his attorney on May 20 something, second,
Yeah.
I think.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Miss Lorena. Can you guys hear me? Okay.
I can hear you.
Okay. Okay. I'm trying to see if Miss Lorena can hear me while we're waiting. Still working on her microphone. Because hello? So my microphone's working. You see that?
Can hear you.
Okay, they can hear me on this, Miss Lorena. So here, take these. See if they can hear you.
Can you hear me? Okay.
Yes, I can.
Okay, thank you. They can hear me.
Uh, Pardon me, Judge and everybody, we're gonna have a audible change of plan. It's gonna be Brian Jordan up next, and then I'll try to go catch on this other group. He'll give us a few minutes. He'll be on his way. Brian Jordan.
Thank you.
Pardon me, Judge. Sorry for the delay. Brian Jordan is here.
Okay. Good afternoon, Mr. Jordan. I'm Judge Schultz with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. As far as good, and you, how are you?
Pretty good, pretty good.
So as far as the city case is concerned, you've already been granted an OR bond, but since you are in custody on a county matter or Edwardsville, maybe, I'm not sure, it's just not KCK. We wanted to make sure that we saw you. You are charged with trespassing. This was alleged to have occurred April 30th of 2025 in the area of 2242 Silver Court. The city is not seeking jail time. I cannot appoint an attorney to your case. You can request a continuance to hire an attorney. You can state that you're not guilty, set the case for a trial, or you can talk to the prosecutor to see if you can work something out. What would you like to do?
Talk to the prosecutor.
Okay, just so you know, I hope this is up to date, but I'm not sure. I show that you have district court tomorrow. So just so you know, once you're done talking with the prosecutor, if you want to kind of figure out what's going on with your district court case before you decide to take any kind of an offer, you can always tell the prosecutor, you know, can I think about it? And then we can get you a new date, okay? So
Yes,
just
ma'am.
keep the headphones on and tell the person that gave you the headphones you need to go to the virtual breakout room.
I understand. Leave 'em on. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
The hand signals. That's
Mr. Rankin, were you able to come to a resolution?
I believe we were a judge. I
Okay,
believe Mr. Jordan is willing to plead guilty to the trespassing charge, and the city would recommend a fine of $150. And it's my understanding he probably would need a couple months to pay that.
okay. Mr. Jordan, is that your understanding of what the offer is?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and then I want to make sure that you understand your rights. Do you understand that you have the right to a trial?
Yes.
Do you understand that you'd be able to hire an attorney to help you with that trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand that if you did choose to do a trial, you would have the opportunity to review the discovery, such as the police report, to help you get ready for trial?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Do you understand that at a trial, the city has the burden of proof? They have to present evidence and prove their case beyond a reasonable doubt.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand that at a trial, you have the right to confront the witnesses? That means that you can ask witnesses questions.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand that at a trial, you have a Fifth Amendment right against self-incrimination?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that if you did go to trial and you were found guilty, you would be able to appeal that decision to the Wyandotte County District Court?
Yes, ma'am.
And knowing all of that, are you wanting to waive those rights and accept the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to continue this to June 15th for payment. If you're still in custody at that time, the judge will consider closing it for a lack of ability to pay, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
Thank you so much.
And done there, Judge.
Yes.
Okay, back over Guy through Starch will be on the list. They're next door. Won't take me but a minute.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, Pardon me, Judge, we're going to do Jeremy Stouch first, and Daniel Freeland is sitting down after that. Jeremy Stouch.
Okay, sounds good.
Hello?
Good afternoon, Mr. Stouch. I'm Judge Schultz with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court.
Good
Uh,
afternoon.
So we've already given you an OR bond on the city stuff. It's my understanding you're just in custody because Jackson County has a hold on you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and we thought since you are still there, we might as well at least talk to you about what's pending in the city. It looks like there is a possession of drug paraphernalia that was alleged to have occurred January 18th of 2026 in the area of 321 South 11th Street. The city is not seeking jail time. You can still request a continuance to hire an attorney or kind of figure out what's going on with Jackson County. You can state you're not guilty, set the case for a trial, or you can speak to the prosecutor to see if you can work something out. What would you like to do?
I didn't really understand.
Okay, so you have a misdemeanor charge pending against you in the city of Kansas City, Kansas, right? That possession of paraphernalia. If you
But
don't, go ahead.
you're not seeking jail time, though?
No, they are not seeking jail time. They're seeking a fine.
All right, so how would I do that?
If you want to see if you can work out the amount of the fine with the prosecutor, you would just tell me that you want to talk to the prosecutor.
Yeah, I would like to talk to the prosecutor.
Okay, so leave the headphones on, but tell the person that gave you the headphones you need to go to the virtual breakout room, okay?
Okay.
Hand signs, I get it. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
So as she said, you're going to talk to the prosecutor. It's going to be till she talks to you or asks you a question.
Mr. Rankin, were you able to come to a resolution?
I believe we were, Your Honor.
Okay,
Mr. Stouch is willing to plead guilty to that possession charge. In exchange, the city would recommend a fine of $100.
okay. Is that your understanding, Mr. Stotch, of the plea offer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and I just want to make sure you understand your rights. Do you understand that you do have the right to a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand that you would be able to hire an attorney to help you with that trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand that before a trial started, you'd get the opportunity to review the discovery, like look at the police reports to help you get ready for the trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand that at a trial, the city has the burden of proof? They have to present evidence and prove their case beyond a reasonable doubt.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand that at a trial, you have the right to confront the witnesses? That means that you can ask witnesses questions.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand that at a trial, you have a Fifth Amendment right against self-incrimination?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand that if you did go to trial and you were found guilty, you would be able to appeal that decision to the Wyandotte County District Court?
Yes, ma'am.
And knowing all of that, are you wanting to waive your rights and accept the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this for payment to July 6th at 1 p.m. If for some reason you are in Jackson County's custody at that time, when you get out, ask them for a letter of incarceration. You'll bring it to the municipal court clerk's office and they'll work with you on getting you to a new date for payment, okay?
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
And Mr. Freeland next.
Okay,
Like to try to keep people happy.
Mhm.
good afternoon, Mr. Freeland. I'm Judge Schultz with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court.
Morning.
Give me one moment. I need to finish saving my note on Mr. Stotch.
Hmm.
Okay, it looks like on the city cases, you would need to post a $100 cash bond. The allegations are mostly animal-related cases. There are 3 allegations of having a nuisance animal, 1 of having a female in heat, and then 1 is a failure to appear for missing court. If you've got a couple of choices. If you want to be heard on bond, like requesting a bond reduction or an OR bond being released on your own recognizance, we could handle that first. You could speak to the prosecutor. You could state that you're not guilty and set these matters for a trial, or you could request a continuance to hire an attorney. What would you like to do?
We want to do the OR.
Okay, so what's going to be different about you making it to court this time?
Shit, I'm already down this way. I'm usually down this way now.
Okay, Mr. Rankin, what's the city's position on bond?
Judge, I would not object to an OR bond.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Freelon, we're going to continue this to this Thursday, May 14th at 10 a.m. You will get out today. However, we see everyone first, then we send over the documentation, so it could be a few hours before you're released.
That's
If
fine.
you fail to appear on Thursday at 10 a.m., the judge could issue a bench warrant with a no bond hold, so please make sure that you appear Thursday at City Hall, and the jail will give you paperwork showing that when they release you later today, okay?
All right, all right.
All right,
Sir?
thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. You have a great one.
You too.
The next 2 will be Guy or Locke. Give me a second for them to come down.
Okay, thank you.
You bet. Pardon me, Judge. First up will be Courtney Guy.
Okay. Good afternoon, Mr. Guy.
Hello.
it looks like oh, I'm sorry. I'm Judge Schultz with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court.
Okay.
It does look like you're being held on the city cases. Let's see. Okay, so I'm trying to, so the other judge is the one who set this up. I'm just trying to figure this out. Okay, so it looks like on some of the cases, the city is seeking jail time. On those cases, you have been appointed an attorney. But on these cases, there's a jaywalking and a possession of drug paraphernalia. Those were alleged to have occurred March 15th of 2026 in the area of 7800 State Avenue. The city is not seeking jail time on those. You can request an OR bond. Right now, you'd have to post a $250 cash bond to get out of custody. You can ask to speak to the prosecutor just on the two matters that I told you about. You can request a continuance so you can hire an attorney just for those two matters, or you can state that you're not guilty on those two matters. What would you like to do?
Just on the two matters, I don't understand. I don't understand what. I don't
Yeah,
understand.
so you have other pending charges also. Criminal use of a financial card, trespassing, and theft of lost or mislaid property. On those charges, you have been appointed an attorney, and those are scheduled for May 22nd.
Okay. And so we're not addressing those right now.
Correct.
And these other I can do what now? These other two?
You can talk to the prosecutor. You can state that you're not guilty, set them for trial. You can request a continuance. It's up to you. It's my understanding that the city is only seeking fines on those.
Okay, I could talk to the prosecutor.
Okay, Mr. Guy, if you would leave the headphones on and tell the person that gave you the headphones that you need to go to the virtual breakout room.
Okay. I need to go.
Yep, it goes on. Yes, ma'am. So, as you were saying, this is gonna get you in. May 12th, 1:45.
Okay, Mr. Rankin.
Judge, I think we do have a resolution on these two charges.
Okay,
I believe Mr. Guy is willing to plead guilty to the possession of drug paraphernalia charge, and in exchange, the city would dismiss the jaywalking charge, and we recommend a fine of $100.
okay. Give me 1 second. Is that your understanding of the plea on those two matters?
Yes.
Okay.
I did
Are-
have a question though.
Go ahead.
So on the 22nd, you said since I'm scheduled for the other matters on the 22nd and they're requesting jail time by then, by the 22nd, I suppose the jail time will be served. I'm thinking
I don't know, because I don't know what jail time they're asking for.
they were
know
asking 30 days. So if I were to get in trouble again, so by that time, I don't know.
Well, it looks like you've been in custody since May 7th. Now, you
Okay.
could request an OR bond also today. I don't know what the city's position on that would be, because those other cases are what we call in a revocation status. So they may be opposed to an OR bond. I don't know, but unless you make a request for it, we don't even get to that point.
I can make a request here in this court for that.
You could make a request for an OR bond on your city matters, yes.
Well, can I do that?
Okay, Mr. Rankin, what's the city's position?
Judge, the city would object to an OR bond. Just, I think those charges were so recent, I guess, to failure to appear so, in such a short time frame after that, I guess I'm not confident that he would return, but I also, would acknowledge that he doesn't have a long history of not coming to court, so.
Okay, so Mr. Guy, I'm gonna give you the benefit of the doubt. I'm gonna give you an OR bond over the city's objection. However, we're gonna make your court date later this week. It's
Okay.
going to be May 14th at 1 p.m. on all of those motion to revoke cases. If you do not appear, because there is a motion to revoke pending, the judge would likely issue a bench warrant with a no bond hold. So
Okay.
you'll need to make sure you appear in person this Thursday at 1 p.m. at City Hall.
Okay.
We see everybody on the docket first. Once we're done seeing everyone on the docket, we send the paperwork over to the jail. So it will be a few hours before you get released, okay?
Okay. So
We'll get released today,
okay.
okay?
Okay.
And I want to make sure that we're all on the same understanding as to you'd be dismissing the jaywalking, pleading guilty to the possession of paraphernalia. And Mr. Rankin, I believe you said $100 fine?
Correct, Your Honor.
Okay. Is that your understanding, sir?
Yes, and on the 14th is court.
Yes, but we're still talking about the ones that were
Okay.
today. I just
Okay.
want to make sure that you understand your rights. Do you understand that you do have a right to a trial on those two matters?
I do.
Do you understand that you'd be able to hire an attorney to represent you on those matters?
I do.
Do you understand that before a trial started, you'd be able to review the discovery, such as any kind of a police report, to help you get ready for a trial?
Yes, I do.
Do you understand that at a trial, the city has the burden of proof? They have to present evidence and prove their case beyond a reasonable doubt.
Yes.
Do you understand that at a trial, you have the right to confront the witnesses, meaning you can ask witnesses questions?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have a Fifth Amendment right against self-incrimination at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand that if you did go to trial and you were found guilty, you would be able to appeal that decision to the Wyandotte County District Court?
Yes.
Okay, so we'll send over the paperwork to the jail when we're done with the docket. You will get out today. Make sure you appear Thursday at 1, okay?
Thank you so much.
All right,
All right.
you're welcome.
And next will be Locke, Mr. Locke.
Okay.
Trying to keep people healthy.
Good afternoon, Mr. Locke. I'm Judge Schultz with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. Just give me one moment. I've got to save my note on Mr. Guy real quick.
Okay.
Sorry about that.
No problem.
Okay. And then, Mr. Locke, it looks like you would have to post a $250 cash bond to be released on the city matter. I will note that there's also a hold from Johnson County. The case that's pending in city court, the allegation is a driving while suspended. That was alleged to have occurred January 25th of 2024 in the area of South 24th and Metropolitan.
Mhm.
Would you like to address bond first?
Yes,
Okay, are you wanting to request an OR bond?
yes.
Okay, Mr. Rankin, what is the city's position on bond?
Judge, the city would object to our bond just based on I think these charges are from 2024. And it's been going on for 2 years now.
Mr. Locke, the matter that's in Johnson County, do you have any idea like how long that might take if I gave you an OR bond and gave you a new date?
Can you? I don't understand what you mean.
So there's a hold from Johnson
Mhm.
County, right? If
Yeah.
I grant you an OR bond, and then Johnson County comes and picks you up, do you have any idea how long you might be in their custody? I don't know what type of matter it is, so I don't know.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know how long I'll be in a custody either.
Okay, so I'm going to grant you an OR bond over the city's objection. I'm going to continue this to, I gotta look at a calendar, sorry. June 30th at 1 p.m. If you happen to still be in Johnson County's custody at that time, when you get out, ask them for a letter of incarceration and bring it to the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court Clerk's office, and they'll work with you on getting a new date, okay?
Okay.
All right. Good luck to you.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right.
And lastly, to Lee's, I know where he is. It'll take me a few minutes to get there.
Okay, thank you.
You bet.
Judge,
Yes.
the very last one is Toner Shia is in KDOC. What are we gonna do with that?
Who?
Stoner, STON.
Out to Lynn County, and she's
Oh.
been on a sentence from us.
Oh, okay.
So that's why I said remains farmed out to Lynn County, because she's on a sentence on our case.
Okay,
It's
thank you.
revoked.
Pardon me, Judge, Mr. Talese.
Okay.
Hello.
Good afternoon. I'm Judge Schultz with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court.
Okay.
It looks like You're not being held on the city cases at all, but since you are in custody on your county stuff, we thought we'd try to see you on the city matters. There are 2 allegations of trespassing. One was alleged to have occurred March 17th of 2026, the other March 18th of 2026. Both were alleged to have occurred at 34 North 14th Street. The city is not seeking jail time. You can request a continuance to hire an attorney. You can state you're not guilty, set the case for a trial, or you can speak to the prosecutor about a plea offer. What would you like to do?
You said place like contract someone so they could have my back.
You can hire an attorney if you want. You can state you're not guilty, set the case for a trial, or speak to the prosecutor. What would you like to do?
What's speaking to the prosecutor gonna do?
You could hear a plea offer and decide if you want to take it.
And what was the first one?
You can request a continuance. I know you've got county matters, so sometimes people kind of want to figure out what's going on with their county stuff first.
Okay.
And then deal with our matters. And if that's what you want to do, we can give you a new date in about 4 weeks and we can kind of see what's going on with your county case.
Okay. When would I be out of jail?
I don't know because we're not holding you. It's only the county. You'd have to talk to a district court judge. I don't have jurisdiction over district court cases.
Oh, okay. So whichever one's gonna give me so that way I can get out.
I can't release you from jail. I am not holding you on any of the city cases.
Okay.
You have to talk to the district court about that. I don't know when your district court matters are set.
Oh, okay.
So the options are get a continuance for now. If they release you on the county stuff, this will not hold you. You would
Okay.
get released. You can state you're not guilty, set it for a trial, or speak to the prosecutor. What would you like to do?
The first one, the continuance, right?
Okay, that's fine.
If it's
Moment, and we're gonna get you a date.
okay, if it's continuance, that's when they might release me that day.
If the county has released you, you'd be released. So we'll put this on June 9th at 1 p.m. If you're still in custody on the county stuff, we'll see you by video again. If the county has let you out, you'll need to appear in person June 9th at 1. The jail will give you documentation showing that when you get released, okay?
Okay.
All right, thank you.
When would I know my my next date?
For your county stuff, I don't
Yeah.
know. You'd have to talk to somebody at the jail. I don't have access to their system.
So I got a continuance?
For the city matters, yes.
Okay, when is the continuance till, like you say January, February, March, April, May, June?
June 9th.
June 9th?
Yep,
Okay, all right, thank you.
thank you.
Just checking we're done there.
Yes, we are.
We are done.
Okay.
Thank
That's
you for
my
everything.
list. Bye all.
Bye.
Bye.